The following video is rated PG, which may contain material that is unsuitable for younger viewers.
Coming up.
Wait, what? Hang on. What did it say? What? What?
So, good morning, everybody. How's everyone doing? Are you good? Alright, so, welcome back to my stream. Yes, it's time to stream again. I'm gonna tell you a story. So, basically, my webcam is broken. So I was just setting up the camera, and then, yup, that's it. The camera's dead. No more camera. Rest in peace. Ha! Oh, okay, look. There's no one chatting here. That's weird. So, anyway, America is voting for the next president of the United States. So, it says here that Kamala Harris has 224 and Donald Trump has 267. Like, okay, I think he's winning. Like, what have we got in here? What's this? Caption this. Oh, hello. Who are you? What are you doing? Oh my God! Isn't it weird that the music is like, echoing? Like, it's like playing the same audio. Like, wow. Do I have to say something? What? Wait, why did I open up Streamlabs? Oh, sorry, that was the season 3 one. Oh my God, what am I doing? What is this? Oh! So apparently Sadie is stalking people. Wait, what?
Yeah, Sergeant.
Is there something wrong with Wowwowwupsie? I tried suggesting it for something, but they said no. Wowwowwupsie is the best show in the universe. What the hell is this? My opinion, sorry, but it's Wopsie. Tastes like grilled cheese. Yummy. What? That is. You just ate Wopsie. Like, who would do that? Who would do that? Hello, everybody. What's those bottles? Oh! Ow! What was that? Okay, I just put it in my arm. Oh!
Nailed it!
What's that? Look, like right there. Look, I did my split. You're bro. Thank you. Now I'm just going to press. There we go. Let's go. Ah! Whoa! What's happening? Is this a WWE level? What's this? Whoa! Oh, wow. It's Whoa! Damn it! Ow! I lost. Oh no! Run! Ow! Here, my leg has. Oh no! No! Hang on. What's this? Woo! Oh! Hang on there, bro! You got this! You can. Ah! Whoa! Okay, I didn't see that, but what happened? Please take care of my son. Okay, let's get sad. Oh no, why am I talking like this? Son. What? I don't care. I don't need you. Sorry. Let's go, son. Whoa! What? Son, are you okay?
Nani?
Whoa! Yeah! I didn't see that, but whoa! Alright, let's try. How am I supposed to make that jump? No? Oh no! Alright, yo! Damn it! How am I supposed to get up there? Oh! Come on! Come on, bro! You got this! Why is this? What? I don't even know. Wait, what? Okay, let's go, son! Oh! Wait, what's happening? Oh! Okay. Where?
that is. Ow! Oops! I lost my arm, but I'm not gonna give up. Let's just let's do the loop. Oh, son!
These are the focus on my level. Alright. Wait! Did something explode?
Oh, son! Oops! Win here. I consider that's a win. Hello? Are you still watching me? What's happening? You guys hate me now. Is that it? Yeah, apparently this is really fast credits. What? What? Whoa! It's back to normal! Wow! That was cool. So, oh no! Oh! Is that? Yep. That's right. Oh, hello! You're back to normal as well. That's cool.
You're watching Nickelodeon. Yes, we're finally back to normal because of that no election business. Our society has been restored.
Hold on a minute. Who is this? Who the hell is this? Who are you?
Do I know you?
Let's get into my computer.
Wait, who was that?
Oh! Oh!
Telemundo presenter, Figgy Elamakovt Kizo Mazos Zamtis Enkit even all an aknema janlots. A whoosh, a wee 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 wee. The President. The President episode 3, The President. Wow, was his dat? Hey, what the hell is wrong with you, man? Give my pizza, you peasant. Lol.
Ah! What? No? Ah! The channel is down. The channel is down. Okay. Everyone just clicked off. Like, what happened? What? Uh-oh. What's happening? Oh no. Wait, like... Uh-oh.
Spaghetti sauce on my head. Better not be losing it.
What have you done? What did you do? Whoa! Azanga, what's happening? Are you all good? Oh no, her face is gone.
It's okay.
Oh super duper mega hyper mamma mia and super duper mega hyper spaghetti. But you are going to Italy. Nevimata, a cara mi sem convertiremo K.O. Sargotarian. A cava si omaglacio vax K.O. miro zilli per ora.
There's more wild thornberries coming up next on the Nicktoon Summer Splash. Gary!
Gary, what have you done? Uh-oh. Wow, what's happening? No! Thank God. No! Oh, wait, what? Hang on. What did it say? What? Trump won? He won? Oh my God! Jesus Christ! Oh! God! We have an American president now. The new one. Or should I say old? Yeah, it's official. Donald Trump is now the new president. Excuse me, hang on.
Chuck had to pause the stream after finding out that Donald Trump has won the US presidential election, and had a panic attack. According to the results on Google, Donald Trump has received a staggering 295 votes of majority, beating his opponent, Kamala Harris, who only had 226 votes. Donald Trump has been re-elected as president, and will be inaugurated in January 2025 next year. But back to Chuck. Chuck is in shock and struggled to breathe, but Blue was there to calm him down. Several minutes later, the stream has been resumed.
Toy TV Anthology, Minecraft News, and then some. Oh, that was the original Minecraft News gone crazy. Let's watch it. Oh, look at that. It's the same studio. It's the same studio. Look at these guys. It's like, oh yeah, let's watch it burn. Oh, whoa! Oh, the house exploded.
Oh my god, help. We're on fire. No, 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 no.
Oh my god!
Ó, értem. Az egész falu megsemmisült egy hatalmas robbanás miatt, úgy értem, csak nézd meg.
Van a különleges vendég, akit így értem. Újiki, de valaki lovagolta. Túl féltékeny a
What? Is it? I like
What did you just say?
Oh yeah, yeah, just like Libby does.
I heard that. Most menjünk kedves barátomhoz, Paulhoz, aki él a zombi.
Who the hell are you? Get away.
Oh, okay. Baidu.
Uh-oh!
No,
The zombies here.
I will
The
fight
zombies
back
here.
this time.
Too bad.
Yeah, oh no, you
I'm
fell.
gonna drown.
Alright.
Hey, what is wrong with you, bro? You just killed everybody.
Aki él a zombi apokalipszisből.
Oh, another one?
Still alive.
Of course I'm alive.
Anyway, hi again.
Boy, what
I'm
is
here in
happening
the exact
here?
same
It was
situation like before. Wait,
Whoa! Oh wow, Fox appears.
where did that come?
Oh,
Hello?
The BMO! What are you
What do you
doing
want?
here? It's BMO!
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
BMO!
whoa, whoa,
Whoa,
whoa, whoa.
whoa!
What the
Okay,
hell is going on in there?
Who will leave that? Oh no, Japanese Fox is here to save the day. Wait, what? What?
Now staring at a wall because I feel like I'm about to die.
What?
I'm
Why you
scared
stand
because
up?
I don't want to die.
Oh, yeah.
Please come out, that's all.
No, no, don't
Please
do it.
come
You'll
out.
die.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm
Do
sure.
it.
Now come
Warning you,
on,
don't do it.
do it. Okay.
No, he's doing it. Ah!
Just kidding, guys. Do you really think that I'm dead? Well, no.
What?
Okay.
Yep, he's done.
Thank you for watching today's highlights video. Don't forget, we'll be streaming again over on G4p TV Gaming with Chuck Bird Plays Live, where Chuck will be playing games like Roblox, Minecraft, Happy Wheels, and more. Plus, Chuck will also play a game that Courage Fanatic 2024 requested. Anyway, we'll see you next time. Goodbye.
A fekete leves.